Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Gladiator tail light bulb. This easy method requires just a few basic tools, making it a simple do-it-yourself task. You will need an 8mm socket wrench, or a 5/16" wrench, and your new replacement bulb. Remember to wear protective gloves when handling the new bulb to prevent any oils from your skin causing premature failure. This entire process should take you about 15 minutes. First, open your tailgate to gain full access to the tail light assembly. Next, you will find two 8mm bolts located on the inside edge of the tail light. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these two bolts, setting them aside safely. Once the bolts are out, firmly grasp the entire tail light assembly and pull it straight back towards you to disengage it from its retaining pins. It might feel a little snug, but it will come free. With the tail light assembly now free, carefully disconnect the electrical harness. There's usually a small red locking tab you need to slide, then a black tab to press for release. Now, locate the specific bulb socket you need to replace. Twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to remove it from the assembly. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. Then, wearing gloves, insert your new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring you avoid touching the glass. To reassemble, insert the new bulb socket back into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Reconnect the electrical harness, making sure the red locking tab clicks firmly into position. Align the tail light assembly's mounting pins with the corresponding holes on the truck body and push it firmly until it seats flush. Finally, reinstall and snugly tighten the two 8mm bolts. Don't forget to test your new tail light to confirm it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.